Hello, BaldwinBitcoin here. Now that you have registered, signed up, have access to your back office, made a purchase of a package, the next thing you would like to do and have to do is input your cryptocurrency wallet address into your back office. All right. And to do that, you're going to go to your back office. Okay. And under profile, you want to click that. And then you're going to come to a tab. We are going to go to the cryptocurrency wallet tab. And this is the location where you will enter your cryptocurrency wallet. Okay. Now they give you the option of using Bitcoin or Ethereum, whichever you paid in. If you paid in crypto, you definitely want to enter your crypto information and vice versa. So after going to profile, you want to scroll to cryptocurrency wallets. And in doing so, this screen will populate. You have your Bitcoin and you have your Ethereum. So you want to go to your crypto wallet that you use, copy your Bitcoin wallet address and paste that here. The same with Ethereum. You want to paste that here. All right. So just for clarity, you go to your home screen, then you go to profile. You want to go to cryptocurrency wallets. You want to go to your exchange or to your wallet provider, copy your Bitcoin wallet address, paste it here. Same with Ethereum. Paste it here. And that way, when you make a commission of those multiple wonderful packages that double up on purchase, you'll get paid your commission. But they can only do that if you have your wallet in your cryptocurrency wallets in your back office under profile.